Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to sign up in Instagram. So let's get started. At first let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now we need to click on create new account since we are signing up in our new account. Now write your name. And click on next. Now choose your password. Now click on next. Now you can save your information here. Now select your date of birth. Now click on saved and click on next. So here we need to choose a username for ourselves. Now click on next. You can add your mobile number here for the notification. You get the confirmation code and we need to write the confirmation code here, so it's done. And click on agree. Now you can add your profile picture or simply skip this part. So now you are in your Instagram interface. So this is all we need to do to sign up in Instagram. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.